Hi, today we are going to be working with circles, specifically the area of circles. So let's go over the parts of a circle first. We know that the diameter is the measurement all the way across, and the radius is from one end of the circle to the middle. So basically the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. But you already knew that. What if we want to find the area of a circle? The formula for the area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared, where our r is our radius. So we are multiplying pi times our radius squared. And we all know that pi is 3.14, and it goes on for infinity, but we're going to use 3.14. Let's look at this problem. Find the area of the circle with a radius of 12. So all we're going to do is we are going to plug in 12 for our radius. Now there's two ways to represent our answer. When we multiply this out, we will get A is equal to pi times 144, or 144 pi. Remember, either order works because in multiplication the order doesn't matter. So our answer can either be 144 pi, or we can multiply 144 times pi, which will give us about 452 feet squared. So again, two ways. You can leave the pi or you can multiply it. So let's try showing both answers. Now let's find the area of a circle with a diameter of 18 centimeters. Remember that our formula is A is equal to pi r squared. But in this problem, we don't have the radius, we have the diameter. But what do we know about the diameter? Exactly, that the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. So if our diameter is 18, then our radius is 1/2 of 18, which we know is 9. So now we can plug it into our formula. A is equal to pi times 9 squared. And again, let's show both ways that we can answer this. We can do A is equal to 81 pi, or A is equal to 81 times 3.14, which is 254.34. So again, we can answer it area is equal to 81 pi, or area is equal to 254.34. Now, I know what you're wondering, what other fun things can we do with circles? I know, so many great things. So if we wanted to find the area of half a circle, like in the example below, if we wanted to find the area of the blue part, we would use our formula. A is equal to pi r squared, and we would plug in what we know, which is A is equal to pi times 8 squared, which would give us 64 pi, and if we multiply it out, we get A is equal to 64 times 3.14, which is 200.96. Now remember, this is the area of the whole circle, so if we want to find the area of just that shaded half part, we would want to divide this by 2, which would give us 100.48. And don't worry, the fun doesn't stop there. Since you know how to find the area of parallelograms like a rectangle, you could find the area of shapes like this below, which are irregular, right? Because all you would have to do is find the area of the rectangle, excuse my terrible outlining, and then find the area of this half circle. Now, you might be thinking, but we don't know the measure of the radius. Oh, but we do, because we know that if this side over here is 8 feet, then we also know that this side over here is 8 feet. And so if this whole thing is 8 feet, other words the diameter, we know the radius is 4. So lots of fun stuff we can do with circles, especially since you now know also how to find the area of other parallelograms. Try these on your own for homework tonight. Remember for problems 1, 2, and 3 to give both types of answers. So one answer with pi in it and the other answer with pi or 3.14 multiplied out. You got this.